How to change project settings in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and go to the bottom right corner to find the gear icon. This opens the project settings window. Here, you can adjust important settings like timeline resolution, timeline frame rate, and playback frame rate. Make sure to set your timeline resolution according to your final output needs. For example, 1920 by 1080 for Full HD or 3840 by 2160 for 4K. Next, scroll through the settings to the Master Settings tab, where you can also change your video monitoring, proxies, frame interpolation, and working folders. After that, explore other tabs like Color Management if you want DaVinci Resolve to automatically manage color space and gamma based on your source and delivery formats. This helps keep your colors accurate throughout the editing and grading process. You can also change settings for camera raw, fusion, Fairlight, subtitles and transcription, image scaling, and more. Finally, when you finish adjusting your settings, click Save at the bottom right. Keep in mind that some settings like frame rate cannot be changed after you start editing the timeline, so be sure about your choices early on. And that's it. Now you know how to change project settings in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.